How to see followers on Tumblr blog. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily see your followers on Tumblr blog. The first thing you're going to have to do is head over to your web browser and go to tumblr.com. Now just make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you could just go ahead and find the account section at the bottom left hand side of your screen right above settings. Click on the drop down on accounts and you'll find your following list right here. Now, if you want to see the number of followers on your blog, just click on any of your blog right here. And then right here, you'll find the followers option. Click on it. And if you have any followers, it will be listed here. I don't have any, so that's why it's showing 0 followers. And if you want to visit their profile, you can just click on it to visit the followers profile as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.